At the world premiere, Volkswagen presents the first photos and facts of the completely newly developed Passat. The focus is on powerful aerodynamic design, new high-efficiency drives, high quality and a host of new technologies. In just a few days, the vehicle will be shown to the public for the first time at the IAA Mobility in Munich, 5 to September 9, 2023. The new Passat will be launched as a versatile variant in the first quarter of 2024. With more than 34 million units sold worldwide, the Passat is the top-selling Volkswagen of all time after the Golf and ahead of the Beetle. Clean and powerful, the design is clearly Passat, clearly Volkswagen, yet new from every perspective. The customer-focused range of 3 new plug-in and mild hybrid drives, and 5 turbocharged petrol and diesel engine variants is characterized by efficiency. The quiet and spacious Passat variant offers a high level of travel comfort, and will be optionally available with new adaptive chassis control, DCC Pro, and new ergo-active seats, with pneumatic pressure point massage. The intuitive features of the digitalist cockpit landscape are a completely new development. The new Passat can also optionally park independently, and cover long distances in assisted driving mode. Kai Grunitz, member of the brand board of management responsible for technical development, says, "The latest evolutionary stage of the modular transverse matrix, MQB Evo, forms the highly innovative technical basis of the 9th Passat generation. Thanks to the significant economies of scale of the MQB Evo, Volkswagen has again democratized numerous high-tech developments and made them available for hundreds of thousands of drivers. The 2 completely newly developed plug-in hybrid drives, e-hybrid, are a perfect example of this. In combination with a new battery, they make all-electric ranges of around 100 kilometers possible. This distance turns the new Passat variant into an electric vehicle for everyday life. This is additionally ensured by short charging times, as the battery can now be charged at AC charge points with 11 kilowatts instead of the previous 3.6 kilowatts. The Passat variant e-hybrid can even be charged with up to 50 kilowatts at DC fast charging stations. In addition, the combination of electric drive motor and new economical turbocharged petrol engine provides overall ranges of around 1,000 kilometers. Volkswagen has completely redesigned the high-quality interior. Particularly striking is the clearly arranged, large landscape display, stylish, functional and progressive. The MIB4 serves as the technical platform here. The latest generation of the modular infotainment matrix allows intuitive operation that has been consistently tailored to the wishes of Volkswagen drivers. The new Passat variant will launch with a further developed range of state-of-the-art assist systems. The spectrum of Park Assist systems is new. These include the optional Park Assist Plus, Park Assist Pro, and the memory function for Park Assist Pro. With Park Assist Pro, the new Passat variant can drive into and out of parking spaces by remote control using a smartphone. If the Passat has the memory function for Park Assist Pro on board, the system can record and store the last 50 meters of a journey on request. When the vehicle reaches the same position again, for example, the entrance to the carport at home, it offers to take over the parking maneuver. Independent driving out of a parking space is also possible. The Adaptive Chassis Control DCC Pro represents a new level of suspension technology. Its spread of maximum dynamics and highest comfort set standards in the mid-sized class. This is made possible thanks to the two-valve technology used in a Volkswagen for the first time. The Ergo Active Plus seats with a pneumatic 10-chamber pressure point massage function also offer a high level of travel comfort. Thanks to a 50 mm longer wheelbase with also 50 mm more legroom in the rear and a luggage compartment capacity of up to 1,920 liters, the Passat Variant is ideally suited as an all-rounder for business and leisure.
9. Received the Motor Week Driver's Choice Best EV Award for 2024. Last year, the 2023 Kia F6 also received the